Oral surgery card number 124. Anatomic distribution of mandibular fractures from most to least commonly affected. The most commonly affected is the condyle, then angle, symphysis, body, alveolar process, ramus, and the least commonly affected is the coronoid process. Now, to remember these and create the mnemonic, first we will take the first letter of the first six, C, A, S, B, A, R. And together they will form the word Casbar, which is Casper, you know, that ghost cartoon character. And coronoid will be Corona. The mnemonic will be I got hit by Casbar Corona, like I got hit by the ghost of Corona. Like Corona is like a ghost, we can't really see it, right? So I got hit by Casbar Corona, and this was the cause for my mandibular fracture. Okay, Casbar, C is condyle, A is angle, S is symphysis, B is body, A is alveolar process, R is ramus, and corona is coronoid process. So remember, what caused your mandibular fracture? Oh, I got hit by Casbar Corona.